Hola, thank you for stopping by. I want to show you this time this little clip the surplus of grapes that I did and how I preserve them in a juice. I can them. Probably thousands and thousands of grapes that I peeled out this time. The plant was generous enough this season to give us one plant a very generous amount of grapes. So I decided to preserve them in juice. And after rinsing them, I low fire, I created the juice. Then I decide to sterilize the bottles, and that is in the oven for 20 minutes. After I wash them and rinse them, put them in the oven for 20 minutes, and then the lids and the rims were sterilized as well with boiling water for 20 minutes. Then I decide to bottle the jars. Once that they are bottled, I try to use a magnetic stick to put the seal on top. I try not to touch anything on the rim, and then to the pressure cooker it is. Some people use the water bath method. I don't use it. It's just my personal opinion, my peace of mind. I would rather pressure can them. I know it's a little bit extra effort, but it is more comfortable for me, and I know every bacteria or so it's being killed. Once that they are canned, I place them in my it's a small pot. The pressure cooker, I can fix 6 of these bottles, and I wait until they reach the pot reaches 10 pounds, and then I hold it in there for 20 minutes. And some people, you know, when they do the canning and using the grape juice, they said, okay, just let it reach 5 pounds and hold it for 15 minutes. But for me, I feel more comfortable, like I said, at 10 pounds, 20 minutes, and that way everything is, I know it's everything been sterilized. Then I let the pot rest, and after several hours that I know it's safe to remove the weight, and then I open the lid a little bit, I let it sit for another couple hours until it is safe for the jars to come out. Once that they are out, I place them on the counter and I cover them with a towel. That way there is no great fluctuation in the temperature, and they don't explode on me, because all they can crack and all that extra effort goes to waste. I do blend sometimes the grapes. This one is just the juice of the grapes, and then sometimes I blend the grapes, and then the grapes themselves that I do can, which I use for desserts and breads and all kinds of other recipes like jello and so. So it's a nice way to preserve your extra surplus of food, and I hope that you can get inspired and have fun. After that, just label them and enjoy it with the family through the year. I hope this video inspire you. Let me know, what did you create? What did you preserve this season? And remember to subscribe, like, and comment. And remember, live a creative life. Bye-bye for now.